Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8, and this is the weekly app review and look for Windows 8. Well, one of the features of the web and one of the very popular websites is called Foursquare. For those of you who don't know what Foursquare is, it's basically a free app that helps you and your friends make the most of where you are when you're out and about. So for example, you can use Foursquare to search for great places around you. You know, we always been at one time or another at some corner street with friends and we're thinking, oh, I'd like to have a beer or a great coffee, or what restaurant is around me that could be interesting. And especially when you're nowhere, you don't know where you are actually, and you've never been around there, and you don't know the restaurants, you don't know what types of shops are around you. Foursquare is there to kind of help you with that. What happens with Foursquare is that it's a mix of what people do and also what you want to do and where you are. So basically it locates you where you are, and it gives you the nearest greatest thing that you might be interested in. For example, it's offering me at this time Poutineville, which is a restaurant not that very far from me, or Café Lézard, another little cafe not very far. And what's interesting is that you actually have a score for all of the different places, which is pretty cool. And you can unlock specials of different places. So for example, you might have a discount 10%, or you might have some kind of a special that's going to show up that they're making a deal of some sort. And you can use Foursquare to actually put your own information, say what you think of the different spots that you went to, give your own score of that place, and tell the others what you think. So Foursquare as an app for Windows 8, if you go into the Microsoft Store, presently it's in the Spotlight. So you see here the Spotlight has Foursquare right there. But if you don't see it, just go into the Charms bar on the right side of the screen. Just start typing the name of the app itself, which is Foursquare, and you'll come to Foursquare app that you can click on and be directed to. It's a free app, which is pretty cool. Foursquare is an app that's available on virtually any device. You've got an Android phone, you've got an iPhone or iOS device, and now you have the possibility of getting it through the Windows Store on your Windows 8 machine. So it's available for Windows 8 and Windows RT. So go and get it if you've got a laptop or a portable tablet, maybe a Surface Pro, or any device that you might, a Windows Phone that you might have with you all the time. Then this is a great app to come by. It requires a account. You can log in with your Foursquare account, so create a Foursquare account, or you can log in and mix that information with other accounts like your Facebook account or your Google Plus or Gmail account. So there's several ways to actually log in. And once you are there, you'll see that the app is installed as a Foursquare app, and it's finding stuff immediately as you log in. It's going to really put some stuff right next to you and tell you all the great stuff that's around you where you live. So this is really basically giving me all the stuff around me, and you'll have maps of where all of that is located. You'll have the scores, and you'll have all the information. And what's cool about that is that it's virtually everything is there. If you're searching for some specific place, you just click in your Charms bar, enter whatever you're looking for. For example, if I put computers, we'll see what it comes up with. And here it's gonna tell me in the different It's mostly an app for stuff that's they tell me about the Apple Store. There's not a lot of well, staples or bureau en gros. So you know, they give you a little bit of stuff around you, and they of course give you the different stores that are available if possible, and how far they are from you on the map, of course. And here it's a little more wider now. So depending on what you're looking for, it's going to give you that information. If you're looking for a little cafe to, you know, a Starbucks, or you're looking for food of some sort, you know, you're going out with friends and suddenly get craving for sushi, well, all you have to do is just enter what you're looking for. So let's try sushi here. Sushi. And there it's searching for sushi places around me. And here it finds actually Itameya Sushi, which is a restaurant that I go to quite regularly. So, and some of them you see here says not rated yet. So you can click on that and actually rate it yourself. And you're going to help others. So if you like the place, if you like the food, or you know, if you just don't like the place, or you've been there and you're like, wow, this is horrible, then you can tell others what you think, which is pretty cool. And eventually you'll have, you know, these places with dozens and dozens of scores. And of course, when you don't ask for anything, it's gonna automatically show you the best places that are already rated around you. So hey, Foursquare, and you can share that information through Facebook with your friends, and Google Plus if you're using Google Plus. So Foursquare, great little app, great app if you want to know what's around you and what you can do if you're in a neighborhood you've never been before, or you're just somewhere you don't know where are the different, even in your local, you know, little spot, there are places that are going to show up here, and it's like, one of them is Putinville that I didn't even know at the beginning, so it gives you an idea. Probably going to show up with some interesting stuff that maybe you didn't even know was around you where you live. So hey, go and get it now. It's Foursquare, free of charge. Create a free account. My personal, I would say, if you want a personal tip from me, create yourself a Foursquare account. Log in with that. Because if you log in with your Facebook account, you might, you know, it wants to use your preferences and your information, and possibly maybe annoy the people or your friends on Facebook. And that's what I hate about, you know, putting a Facebook account, association of a Facebook account with another type of account like Foursquare, for example. So create yourself a Foursquare account directly. When you log in for the first time, it's going to ask you, okay, you want to log in with your Foursquare account, Facebook, Google Plus, and there's the little button for new account. You just click new account, create one, and it's free of charge. If you enjoy our app reviews, our videos to help you use Windows 8, please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up, which is always nice and helps us show up even more on the Google searches. If you have an app of your own you'd like us to talk about, or maybe a feature of Windows 8 you'd like us to make a video of, let us know. We'll try to do that video for you. You'll be helping others at the same time. If you enjoy Windows 8, or if you have that new machine with Windows 8, want to learn more, we have lots of videos online talking about Windows 8. So if you need help on using Windows 8, we have lots of videos online for that. So thanks for watching, and hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.